before we go wild, guys, we have a special guest right now to join us and have fun. Meet our fellow Pangu media host, Carmela Fernandez. Welcome!
What's up, ladies?
What's up? Yes, we're so happy. Anytime.
You girls ready to get down and dirty?
Yes, so much.
I'm so excited, guys. But do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel down below and hit that like button. And if you guys want to stay up to date with our latest adventures, do follow us on Instagram, yeah? Girls, you ready?
Yes!
Let's go!
Let's go!
Before we start our ATV adventure, we undergone briefing on the safety guidelines on riding the ATV. The guide and instructors here at ATV Adventures Rizal are not your typical guides. They will explain the do's and don'ts and safety guidelines thoroughly, and they were also well trained to perform basic first aid.
Yeah, there's quite a lot of bit of rules, but to be honest, it is quite a thrilling adventure, a thrilling sport, so there has to be, proper protocols whenever we go out to do these kinds of adventures. So some of them, the things that they were saying was that we have two guides, one in the front, one in the back, to make sure that nothing happens, that we're always safe at all times. Always wear our helmets because safety is sexy. We'll be going up a lot of uphills and downhills, just to be, just to kind of take our time. If you're uncomfortable, especially for you first timers, there's no need to rush it. So just take it easy while you're on the road.
And also, madami tayong locals na madadaanan, so be careful na lang din daw, sabi niya.
Always remember na dapat steady speed lang, especially when you're a beginner.
But girls, you guys ready?
Yes, I'm ready! I'm excited!
Woohoo!
Hey Kim! Hi Carmela!
Hey guys, we finally reached the final destination of our 15-kilometer ATV trail.
15 kilometers! I think you mentioned a while ago there were some easy parts, slightly harder parts, and then there are some parts which are really, really hard and scary. Like some of the places are like steep.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
The concrete part is very easy compared to the off-road.
I was so scared, diba? I told you na I was so scared.
But you did so good!
Yeah, kaya nga.
I'm proud of you.
When I was driving na, sabi ko, oh my
proud of
gosh,
you.
super saya pala.
Not bad. It's actually not that bad. It's only tough when it's like uphill because you have to like really push the accelerator.
Even for a first timer,
you can do it.
You can do it.
Yeah.
Just
Super
really be
easy.
careful.
What do you think for girls? Do you think girls should try, or do you think it's only for guys? I think girls.
No, girls can do it.
For sure.